Greetings, Websters, and I'm not referring to all you web slingers out there. I've got a little preview or surprise waiting for you. This is a project of mine. I plan to create a Valkyrian Skies Eureka PvP server. Unfortunately, it's still in development, and I have been figuring out how to use mods and whatnot. One of them happens to be the Valkyrie. Well, how am I supposed to say this? I'm using multiple mods. One of them is Valkyrian Skies Eureka, as I've said previously. Another is called SkyColonies, which allows me to create colonies. As I've not designed any yet, hopefully I'll be able to create fleets, some of which would probably be very amusing. It seems that the bigger ship has actually built up enough speed and is actually flying away. Not a good sign. But yeah, this is going to be one of the ships. And if not, then probably the smaller one. I love the design. I love the wings. I'd really want to make a version of this to go with the SkyColonies colony. SkyColonies is the name of the mod. And for the big ship, it's got plenty of room. You could really dock a lot of smaller ships inside this. Now this is what I call a warship. Let's turn this thing around. What do you think? Can you just imagine a majestic ship flying through the air? I mean, the Valkyrian Skies Eureka mod, in its simplest form, is already loads of fun, especially with mods. And given enough time and construction, you could find yourself building, well, an empire. This is just a sneak peek. Hope you enjoyed the designs and the preview. This world is probably not going to be the one where I'm going to set up the server. It will probably be the test bed for the colonies and other ships. But I promise, once I figure out the mods, the next thing will probably be, in my focus, will be not just the construction of a colony to go with these ships, but also, as I mentioned earlier, a server. One that will be able to handle the construction of these ships and allow for other players to enjoy this mod as much as I do. This ship has no weapon systems whatsoever. No TNT cannons, no extra defenses. It's a prototype floating structure. That's it. No weapons. No surprise waiting for smaller ships. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the preview.